Are you confused about the difference between Visual Studio and VS Code? You're not alone. Today, we'll break down these two popular tools and help you decide which one is right for you. Both Visual Studio and VS Code are created by Microsoft. They are designed for coding, but they serve different purposes. Visual Studio is a full-featured integrated development environment or IDE. It's great for building complex applications, especially in C Number and .NET. On the other hand, VS Code is a lightweight code editor. It's perfect for quick edits and supports many programming languages. Let's dive into Visual Studio first. This tool offers a wide range of features. It includes debugging tools, code completion, and project management. Visual Studio is ideal for large projects that need a lot of resources. It also has built-in support for version control systems. Now, let's look at VS Code. This editor is fast and flexible. It has a clean interface and is easy to customize with extensions. VS Code supports many languages like JavaScript, Python, and more. It's perfect for web development and smaller projects. So, what are the key differences? Visual Studio is heavy and feature rich, while VS Code is lightweight and customizable. If you need a powerful IDE for big applications, go with Visual Studio. If you want a simple editor for quick tasks, choose VS Code. When it comes to pricing, Visual Studio has different versions, including a free one, but the full version can be pricey. VS Code, however, is completely free. In conclusion, if you're working on large software projects, Visual Studio is your best bet. For quick coding and flexibility, stick with VS Code. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech comparisons.